Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the refer to a friend get $5 on DoorDash. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and refer a friend to get $5 off on DoorDash. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the Me button on the bottom right-hand corner. And then once you reach this page right here, you want to go ahead and click onto Settings, which is located beneath Orders and Profile. Next, you're going to see Refer Friends get $5. From time to time, DoorDash tends to change their referral bonus. At one point, it was get $25. Now it's down to get $5. But go ahead and click on Refer Friends get $5. And then underneath where it says Share Your Link, that is the link that you could actually go ahead and send to friends and family members. And so with that, you'll get $5 in credits when someone signs up using your referral link and places their order over $20. Your referral will also get $5 off as well. So there we have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and do the refer to a friend, get $5 on DoorDash. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.